Every single time you eat, your body initiates one of the most complex chemical and mechanical processes in the known world. What if the food you consume is not just fuel, but a highly programmed biological sequence that determines your energy, immunity, and long-term health? Most people think digestion happens only in the stomach, but the gastrointestinal system is a massive, sophisticated network that spans over 30 feet of biological machinery. Today, we're diving deep into the physiology of the human digestive tract to understand how your body transforms raw nutrients into cellular life. The process begins with cephalic phase regulation, where the mere thought of food triggers salivary enzymes like amylase to start the breakdown of carbohydrates. As the bolus moves through the esophagus via coordinated peristaltic contractions, it enters the stomach, where a high-acid environment with a pH as low as 1.5 activates pepsin for protein denaturation. But the real magic happens in the small intestine. This is the primary site of nutrient absorption, where millions of microscopic villi and microvilli increase the surface area to the size of a tennis court. Here, the pancreas and gallbladder secrete bile and pancreatic juices to emulsify fats and neutralize acids, ensuring every vitamin and mineral is extracted with surgical precision. Before we explore the critical role of the gut microbiome and the large intestine in systemic immunity, please subscribe to Health Science 3D for more advanced physiological insights. If you have ever struggled with digestive health or have a specific diet that changed your life, leave a comment below and share your history with us. Also, send this video to a friend who wants to optimize their gut health or is studying biological sciences. Your support allows us to continue creating high-level medical education for everyone. Beyond simple digestion, the gastrointestinal system acts as your second brain, containing the enteric nervous system with over 100 million neurons. This gut-brain axis regulates not only hunger, but also your mood and emotional well-being. The large intestine, or colon, serves as a high-density bioreactor for trillions of symbiotic bacteria that synthesize essential vitamins like vitamin K and B12. These microbes are the front line of your immune system, preventing pathogenic colonization and training your white blood cells. By the time the process of elimination occurs, your body has performed thousands of simultaneous biochemical reactions to sustain your existence. Understanding GI physiology is the first step in mastering your metabolic health and longevity.